Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. Now I'm here in the kitchen, which seems like a little bit of an unusual spot to do a cool new water floss product. I was all set up to do some shooting while we were in the kitchen, so I thought for an unboxing it's fine. So let's talk about this. This is a IPX8, which is super waterproof, battery-powered water pick, which is so cool. I think it's a cool idea. Let's open it up, talk about it, talk about some of its features. Then I'm gonna charge it up, use it for a couple days, come back and give you that Doug score from 1 to 5. I know you wanna know just how good this is or how good it isn't. So let's take a look at it. A couple things while I'm taking it out that I know. It has a magnetic charger, which is great. Helps with that waterproof feature. You know, you put the charger up against it and it magnetically attaches and charges it. With about a 4-hour charge, it's supposed to run for about 30 days, which is a pretty darn amazing. You only have to charge it once a month. Ooh, this thing is cool looking. Look how big this water tank is. That thing is so cool. It's just half twist, it comes off. Put it back on, another half twist, locks on. Another one of the functions that you would want to know about this is that the on-off button, you have to hold it for about half a second before it turns on so it doesn't accidentally get turned on in your luggage while traveling. Let's see what we have here. Here's that magnetic charger that we were talking about. And in here we have 2 different options for your water picks. It actually comes with 4. And speaking of 4, it comes with 4 different options. You can do soft, normal, pulse, which is a firmer one, or it actually has a custom mode where you could program it how you want it to work. So I think the only thing that I got to do here is read the instructions, like you're going to read the instructions, charge it up, use it for a couple days, and then I'll come back and I'll tell you what I think of it. All right, we'll see you in a couple days. Okay, so it's been about a week and I've been using this. I've tried it in a bunch of different configurations. I have like a mixed answer for this. This thing works so well. I really like the feel, like you just feel like you've gotten a great floss, your teeth feel clean, so cool. Battery life is great, all the different functions are great, the way this attaches, and there are different nozzles that you can choose from, all a little different and all really cool. The only one thing that keeps it from being a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score, I'll jump to the finish, we're gonna be 4 out of 5, is for me, it flows a lot of water. Like it's a little weird, like I feel like I'm drowning and I have to stop and then start again and stop and start again to get my whole mouth in, you know, like I had to do it like 3 times to get through it because it like really is flowing a lot of water. Whoa, check that out. Oh my gosh, can you see that? So if your dog barks a lot, you can use this to like spray your dog. That's so cool. Let's see how far it goes on soft. We're still clearing the pool on the soft setting here. Still clearing the pool on the soft setting. Pulse. Again, still clearing the pool on this clear head. And DIY, it's the better part of the way across the pool. Okay, I hope that's helpful. I know the dog didn't like that so much, but I had fun. All right. But outside of that, works great, has worked for a week on a charge. I know I said it's supposed to work for 30 days. I'm not waiting 30 days to come here and tell you about it. I'm really happy with it. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.